Hello, everyone. Welcome to ResearchHUB. I'm Ziaul Haqmanim, the founder of ResearchHUB. And in this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you with a new AI tool, which is like the ChatGPT but for data analysis. Okay. So here, the main focus of this AI tool is data analysis. It is also available in Android and also on iPhone. Okay. So it's called Julius AI. So, and the website looks like this. So when I'm here in the website, I can go and log in. I recommend that you create an account and log in here. So now, I can actually start doing some analysis here. So I can add some files and I can start doing things. So let's say if I add a file here, I have downloaded the Bitcoin data. So let's say I have downloaded Bitcoin data from 4 years, from 2020 January until 2020 January 2024. So I'm going to load the data here and I'm going to ask it to do some analysis. I attempted to do the forecasting of it using ChatGPT. So here in the previous, here you can see what I tried to do in ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy the same command and I'm going to see if Julius gives me something better. Okay, the results we got from ChatGPT while forecasting the next 7 days of Bitcoin price was not really good. It didn't feel like it is reasonable. And just to mention again, I downloaded the data from Yahoo Finance. So from here, you can buy historical data on a daily level or weekly level or monthly level for different stocks and cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to give the same command here in Julius AI and let's see what we get. Okay, so the command is that, we have this data set of historical Bitcoin price from this date to this date. And the date column has the information about date format, and we'd like to forecast the highest price of which is available in the high column. Okay, so in the data we have mainly 4 columns here in the data. So if I look into the data here, we have the date, high, open, low, close, adjusted close, and volume. Okay, so we are mainly interested to, let's say, forecast the high Bitcoin price on a daily level. You could do it for open, close, or low, so it's up to you. And we're saying that use the exponential smoothing model, ETS model, for forecasting future rates, and split the historical data into training and test samples following the 80-20 rule and provide accuracy metrics, MAP, for the training and test sample, and then use the trained model to forecast the prices from tomorrow, so January 21 to January 27. So let's see what do we get here if it gives us something better than ChatGPT. Here again, I'm not doing any pause or anything like that. I'm just trying to cover the whole situation, everything that it is doing. Okay, so I want to see all of it. So it started to create the Python code for it. And then it is reading the data. And it is again writing the Python codes about the different packages for exponential smoothing and all the codes related to the training and test size of the data, defining the training and test samples and doing the forecast and getting the feeded values and making the future forecasts. So here in this case, we got an MAP of, we got an MAP of like 2.59%. And for the test sample and for training, we got 50% error. We actually got similar forecast values as in our model from the ChatGPT. So now I start to wonder that maybe actually our models here are functioning pretty well, okay, in ChatGPT and also in Julius. Maybe they're functioning pretty well actually, but it's just these models are maybe not the best ones for forecasting the Bitcoin price. So I'm thinking about asking it to try with another model. So let me see. So if I say that let's say, use support vector machine. So use the support vector machine, the same command. I'm just changing the model name here. Let's see what we get. So again, one of the coolest thing here, it gives us all the scripts for Python to run the analysis. This is really cool. We can just copy this script and run it in Python. Okay, and then we would get the same results. And nowadays we can also actually run Python scripts in RStudio. So I could just copy this script and open a Python script in RStudio and run it there as well. And here we see the errors are much higher. In the training set, we have 47%, and the test set, we have 28%. And our forecast actually doesn't really look good. Yeah, the forecasts are, it looks like the forecasts are way off. Okay, so because when I look here, here our last value of highest is $41,000. So I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow, but I don't really think tomorrow we are going to see $20,000. So yeah, I mean, if that happens, that's crazy, but I really don't think it's going to happen. But anyway, just wanted to show you that you can use this Julius AI to make some forecast. And also in the video, we showed ChatGPT briefly, but I have another video where I showed it in detail how I work in ChatGPT. And in Julius AI, again, you can do many kinds of data analysis, many kind of applications of machine learning, and many, many things. So feel free to explore Julius AI. I hope you find it useful. Good luck with your research and data analysis, and subscribe to ResearchHUB for more cool videos. Bye-bye.